Hello friends, welcome to this new video. My name is Roland, and today we will design a small building, trying to make it very quick so that we can save time and be faster in our designing process. So you can see this building is very small. It's about 100 square meter. We have three rooms, and no, we have two rooms and one living room, toilet, and the kitchen. So we will see how to design it very fast by starting a new project. So let's go. We go to File, and we click on New. Here we have a possibility to choose the template. We are working inside architecture, so that is why we will choose the architecture template. You have the possibility to choose the plumbing, to choose the architecture, electro, and so on. So we will choose architecture template, and we click OK. Now that we click OK, we can see the level. The first level is open. So the level 0 is open, and now it's our time to plan how many level we want to build and what we want to bring inside. That means, okay, how high do we want our level to be? That should be defined here. So to do that, we will go inside elevation, and we will open one of this view of this side view. We can click on north or south. We click on south, and now we can see this is the level we have. So we just want a simple building with maybe 3 meter, let's say 3 meter high. That is why we have to change this here. We have to change this number. So we will change it. We click on it, and we reduce to bring it by 3000. After we enter 3000, we click OK, and now we see that the level has been reduced. We have the first level, that is the ground, and here we have the level 1 where the building will stop. After we finish it, we can go back to the first level. We can go back to the level 0, and from here we can start to design our building. Let me put another level for the ground floor, for the ground, because we need a little bit space here to have a ground. That will be, let me say, 1 meter. So to do, we will just copy this level, and we click on 1 meter. 1 meter, we click here, and we have our distance here. We have our new level here. We go out, we can pull this one, here, so that everything will be at the same. So this will be like a minus level. We can call it -1, but just for the ground, will be just for the ground, to have a little bit space for the ground. After we finish, yes, and now we can start, and here we can have a little bit another one for the for the roof. You can give like so high. The roof will not be so high, so that is why I'm giving just 300 centimeter. So that is we can call this one roof. Okay, now that we finish, we can go back to the first level. That is the level the level 0, and we can start or let me open another one. We have minus and we have the roof. Okay, what we do is to open this one first. We open this first level and we will design the ground. We will start with the ground. We go to meshing, and what we will do is to choose to go to topo solid, and we will create from scratch. So we choose, we go to this possibility. We have many possibility here that we could choose the ground. So we choose grassland 1200 millimeter. I mean, we can edit to reduce because our level is just 1 meter. Let's try to reduce it. To reduce it, we can come here and add. Let's try to remove this one. We can put here 950, 950 here. We remove this one. We put 0 here. We don't want any sound. I mean, the sound is this part here that you can see, this white part. And we remove it, so we will not have a sound. And we will have a 50 centimeter grass. So this green part is the grass. So if we combine everything, we will have 1000 millimeter. So after we finish, we click OK. And let's see. Error is not possible. So that means we cannot put like 20 centimeter here, and here let's put 30. Okay, now we try it again, and you see everything work now. So that means we cannot remove the sound part. We cannot remove this part, but that's not a problem. We find a solution, we can continue. So now we can start to design. We start with this geometric figure, and we give here, we want something, let me say we have 100 let me say we have something like this one. We have this kind of land, and after we finish, we can just click on OK. If we want, we can correct. If we realize, okay, this is not what we want, we can correct it by changing the size here. Let me put 150. 150. 150 is too small. Normally, sometimes I change the distance from millimeter to meter, so that I will not have so big number like this one. 15,000 is big. This one is also 15. Let us say 15,000. Okay, now we have it, and if we finish, we can confirm here. Now we have our land. We can check it in 3D. No, it's the wrong one. It's not what we want to see. Let me remove this project, because it's our first project. We remove it, and now we have, if we click on 3D view, we go to 3D and we click here, we will be able to see our land. This is the land we just finished. We can go to realistic. now we can have this design. Now that we finish it, we finish with the ground, we can go back to the first level and start to design our building. So we go to architecture and we will choose the wall. So we choose it, we want concrete wall, we choose this one, and now you can start like we have here, we want something 10. So we can correct it, that is not a problem. Every time we can correct it. So now that we finish, we can choose the whole thing and move it a little bit big, like this. Now we have more space. We can reduce it, giving like and here do the same. Okay, this is the place we have. We can put it, we can pull it a little bit more at the corner. Now we have it. So now we can start to design the inside of our building. We will choose another type of wall. Let me say yes, we choose the inside, the brick. Inside will be the brick. So with the brick, we can put this type, and here we will have, let me say, another room. But from here we want to reduce a little bit to have like a floor inside. So, and here you remove this and have something like that, and we choose the wall. We will use the same type of wall to have this floor, so that we can create the floor inside. So now we can separate these two rooms by using here. We can create the toilet. We reduce this one like this, and we use the same wall, and we create the toilet here. And we close it. We close it here. And we also need the kitchen. The kitchen, we can create it here. We can create the kitchen here. Or this one can be the kitchen. Or let us put it here. We create the kitchen here. Okay, create the kitchen here, and here will be another room. So we have like 3 sleeping room, the living room, the toilet, and the kitchen. Let us make a little bit bigger. This one can be a little bit bigger, and now that is what we have. So now that we finish it, we can continue and continue to put the door. We can put some door. This is the entrance. It is the entrance here. And you can change the type of door we are putting inside. We choose this one. This place will have the entrance here. I will turn it. We have it here, and this one will be here. I turn it again, and this one will have entrance here. This one, you see, is a little bit small. We can edit the door and see if we can make it smaller. And is that possible? Let me see if we can edit tolerance. And so I wanted to make it smaller, but it's like, okay, we have some furniture that we cannot modify. We cannot do any modification there. So let us take it like this. But it's possible to download some door that are smaller. So we go out, and here we will create the entrance for. We don't need any doors here. We can just put an opening here so that people can get access to this floor. So to put the opening here, we will go to wall. This is the function we will use, and we create an opening here and here. So that is the opening we have. And now that we finished to put the doors inside, we can also create the opening here, and we will close it with and let me we go out again. This is, let me try with this. No. Let us go out from the function. We can check in 3D and see what we have. You see the mistake we did is the place, the wall we choose, we didn't take care about the level. So what we will do is to change, we will choose all this level, all this wall, the inside wall, and we will change it. We will change it. Escape. Yes, I want to escape. And now we will choose all this wall. So we just click on it and we maintain control so that we can choose all the wall we want to reduce, because I want to reduce the height. It's too high. This one, the last one. Okay, now we have everything. Now that we have it, we can choose the connection, because you see it's too high. It's 8,000. So that means it's 8 meter high. That is not what we want. We want something till to be connect to the level 1. Start from level 0 and be connect to the level 1. So that is what we will do. We click 1 and you see everything is reduced. We can check it in side view. Still high. And you see the another problem we have is that this wall, the outside wall are not connected to the level. We didn't take care of it. That is what we have to do now. So we go back to the first level. We choose it. We click on escape, control, to choose all the wall, And what we will do is to choose the connection. So we come here at this top constraint connection and we choose the level 1. So if we check it again now, let me check it, and you will see now our level, the wall is connected from 0 to the level 1. So this is the way how to correct the problem. And we can also see here this our ground is not connected to the to the to the to our level, to this ground level, supposed to be here inside, supposed to be at this place. So what we will do is just to correct it, and we will give here, we can also pull it like this. We just take it and we bring it here, and the problem is solved. So if we check it in 3D, you see that is what we have. This is what we have. So now that we finish it, we can continue to design. We will put the windows. That is what is missing. We go to Windows and we choose Windows. We will put one here. Put the first one here. Another one here. Another one here. Here we don't need. We need one here for the kitchen. We say that is our kitchen. And one here. And the next one will be here. For the toilet, we need the windows, one here and another one here. Okay, now that we finish, we can put some curtain wall so that we can have a little bit more light inside the room. To do it, we go to wall again and we choose the type of wall we want to use. We choose this one, and we have to make sure this cage is hacked. We check it and we make sure that we confirm it's hacked. So now that we have it, we can put some curtain wire, and we have to make sure the connection is also correct. You say this is the mistake we did before. You see we have 8,000 millimeter here. That means 8 meter. That means to correct it, we have to choose the connection. Choose the connection. We want it to connect to the level 1. So we choose it. And now if we design the wall, you will see the wall will be at the right place. You can also put one here. Here, also one here. One here. Here is okay. One here. And for more light in the room, you can put one here and one here. Now that we finish it, what are we doing? The next thing we will do, we have the windows, we have everything. Not everything, but we have from windows and door, we finish it. And the next thing we will do is to put the furniture inside. To put the furniture, we go to component, and here we have some furniture we used recently, so we can start with this furniture. But if there is nothing here, that is not a problem. We can go to load family, and we can start to choose here what we want to have in our house, in the house we are designing. So we choose the bed boss. We can choose some. We click on open, and we can start to put the first one here. The next one we put here. The next one we can put it here. Okay, now we go out from the function. We finish with bed, and here Inside we will need some furniture inside the toilet. We will need furniture inside the kitchen and inside the living room. So we go back to component and we choose load family again, and this time we go back. We have like TV. That is something that we can put inside the living room TV screen, and we can press Control if we want to download many objects at the same time. We can also click here. This can be good for the toilet. So we click Control and we choose two objects at the same time. We can choose many at the same time, and we click and on Open. So now we have this possibility. We choose the people like big screen, so we can choose this one, and we want to bring it inside the room, inside the living room. So now we can put it here. We put it here, and maybe also inside the sleeping room we can put some. To turn it, we just click on space, and the object will be turned. So we put the next one here. So we have a living room with TV, with TV. And the next thing we will do is to put the mirror, because we already have it. We can put the mirror inside the toilet. Let me download it. So where is the mirror? We can put it inside the toilet. Supposed to have it on our. Press F1 for more help. Okay. So we put the first one here. Okay. And we leave it. I hope you can see it. So it's inside here, inside this wall. It's inside here. That is the mirror here. It's very small because it's not big, but you can see it here. So now that we finish it, we go back to the component. We are not finished with component. We go to load family again, and what we want to put now, let's check. Put some furniture for the living room. What can we choose? We can choose this table for the living room. Is there something else we want to choose? Yes, we can also choose this. So we press Ctrl and we choose this table. No, it's not this one. It's not this one. So it's this table. So we can remove this and we will know, okay, this is the one. We press Ctrl and we choose the table. So this is the two things we want to download. We open it, and now we can start to put it here. We can put it here at the corner or here. We go out, and here the thing we downloaded. This is the place people will eat, so we can put it here. Now that we finish, we will have to put some. This is a little bit big. Let us check if we can reduce it. We can have the smaller one and reduce the high. How high? You want something small. That means we will go here and put like 500, and here we also reduce it. We put like 900. I think it's okay, and let us check. Now we have something like this. It's smaller. So what we will do is to put more component, a sitting place where people will sit, and maybe watch TV and so on. So we go back again. We go to furniture. We have furniture here. As is the same. No, this is good for for the dresser. The dresser is good for the sleeping room, so we can open it. We can open it and have some inside the living room. So we turn it. It's big. Let us try it here. It's big, but we can change it. That's not a problem. Let's try to edit and say okay. We have like 500 here. And also we put here just 500, 1500, and if you finish, we click on OK. And now we have something smaller. We can copy the same. We choose the object and we copy the same. And now the program is asking me to save, so we can save and give the name. Maybe put 4 here. And no, it's like the name is already existing. Let's choose 5 and save the project. So we save the project and we come back to our, we can reduce again. No, we choose the object, we go to edit type, and here you can change this one to let's say 300, so that the dresser will not take too much place. And now it's okay. Now you see it's reduced. Now what we do is we will copy the same. We will copy this object and bring it inside this room. So we click on this object and we click copy, use the same, and now we can bring it here. We can even put it here. No, there is not place for that. It's too big, but we can, like you see, like I did before, we can reduce it. We can reduce it and have something smaller. I did it in the first. We can also do it in the second one, in this one, and this reduce this type. So now that we finish, we can also choose some sitting place, couch. We go to component again, and now load family, and let us check this furniture I'm looking for. Now it's not table, it's sitting. Let us go inside sitting. So now we have sofa. We can choose this one, open, and we can put, oh no, I just click to escape from the now we have it again, so we can put it here. Let us check again if we can reduce the size. because it's big. We go to edit type, and here we can put 500. I just put 500, and here we put let's say 600, and here let's just put 1000. We finish, we click OK, and now we have the object is reduced. Now we can use the same object, use the same, and we turn it, and we have it here. Okay, let's check the kitchen now. We have the toilet and the kitchen remaining. So we go for the toilet, we have the we go to component again, and we have load family, and now we go out. It's not what we are looking for. Let me go to where can I find it? Let me check inside plumbing if we can see the toilet object we are looking for. We go to yes, we have some important object here like this one. So we will take this one, we open it, and we can put the first one, the toilet, we can put it. No, this is where we put we have the entrance, so we can put it here. So we can also put the toilet place, I mean the washing place here at the corner. So that means we go back to the component again. We choose load family, and what are we using? Can we see the right object here? So okay, not here. This is the place we were before. Not here. I think we already checked this. We go out. Lavatory. Is there something we want to pick here? Maybe, but not for now. We go out, we check again. If there is something. No. Bathtub, I think yes, so we can use this one. We open it, and we can put the bathtub here. But like you see again, it's very big, so that means we can reduce it. We choose the object again, we go to edit, and we can reduce the size. Let me check. This is just to show you that you can reduce everything you want. That is not passing inside your dimension, but sometimes you reduce and it's too small for the people living inside the house. So you have to make sure, even if you are reducing, the project, the object can still be used. So now that we have, now you see what change, but I think we don't have enough place here. So the best thing is just to remove it, because this place is for the entrance. We cannot use it for the bathroom. So we remove it and we will have free space here. So there is other object we can bring inside, like a kitchen and so on. Let us see if we can have a kitchen here very quick. Go to the float family again, go out. Yeah, can we have something like a kitchen? So the thing is, we have to check all these. Yes, we have something here. This is the kitchen, so we can use this kitchen and put it inside the kitchen. So it's like you see, it's also is big, but already show you that you can reduce everything you want to put inside, so that the object will take the right dimension. So I can reduce it, the length, put at maybe 500. Let's see. Does that work? 500. Hmm. So you see, you cannot you can reduce it, but it's like, okay, this one is not possible. So the kitchen, we can check about you can check on something else to put inside the kitchen, or reduce this one. But you see, this is how to design the place and put the furniture. Not now we can check in 3D to see what we have. And this is our building. This is our building with all the furniture that we put inside here. Now is the time for us to design the roof. To design the roof, we will go to the roof. We choose it, and what we will do is just click at the side like this, and if we finish, you have to make sure it's at the right place. We want the roof to be at the level 1, from the level 1, and if you want, you can change the angle here, but let us choose it, let us do it like this, and we will see in 3D what we have to change. Now that we finish, we have this, and let's check if everything is correct. Now we have it. This is this is our small building. Is the small building, and if I want, I can change the way the roof is looking. Maybe let's choose this one, and you see the design has changed. So this is what I wanted to share with you, to design a very quick building like this one. Design a very quick building like this one. I hope you learned something. We can look at more details. If you have any question, feel free to ask your question. I'm doing this designing just for exercise. It's not a perfect one, but it's just to show you okay how to use the function and where to find the function you want to use in Revit. Subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any comment about what I'm doing. Have a nice weekend and see you in the next video. Ciao.